What's the name of the temple?
วัดพระแก้ว
Exactly how she said it. Oh my god. Sorry, don't get mad. Ah! If I had one of these small cuts in the jeans, I can't do it, so... Okay. Hey guys,
Hi
I'm Alex, she's KP. So today we are going to visit one of the biggest temples in Thailand.
Buddha there.
Yes, my girlfriend. Oh my god, sorry, don't get mad. Ah! Yes, she has some big requests from the big guy, you know, Buddha. So we are going to pray for her. What's the name of the temple?
วัดพระแก้ว
Exactly how she said it. But yeah, let's do it.
Hi
Okay, so we took the tuk-tuk to get to the temple. It's not the cheapest way to get there, but it's the fastest. And as experience, actually all the prices, like just try it.
Yeah, you should try it.
It's pretty refreshing. Well, a good tip is if you are coming to the temple, you'll need long pants. You can find all these shops, and you can buy. Yes, you can actually rent pants. It's not that expensive. 100 bucks.
เดินขาดก็ไม่ได้นะคะ
Come to this lady. She's giving them pretty cheap. Funny story. I recorded just 2 minutes ago the lady that was outside, and apparently she said that if I had one of these small cuts in the jeans, I can't do it. So I end up here at the entrance, and they actually put me to buy some pants. It's like 100 bucks more. So be smart, not like me. Next time, just buy from outside. It's way cheaper. Okay, I'm going to change.
Can I come in?
Okay. Now I'm ready to pray. Actually, it's fitting my outfit somehow, so all good. Let's go.
Love is love. Love is love. Adios.
We got in. Apparently it was much more expensive for expats. She paid nothing.
For free,
Nothing. Yes, and I paid 500 bucks. I guess it is what it is. Because of the COVID, it's pretty empty, so I can't play around. I'm joking, I cannot play around, but it's good to have your space. And yeah, if you wonder, those buildings are made out of massive gold, so I think I should bite this one. Okay, I think I've learned one important rule. Don't leave without water. I was stupid enough and I didn't bought like at the entrance, and then I was thirsty for the whole tour. So yeah, now I end up having a drink. But we almost died.
I have to.
She pretends that's the princess. Oh.
Yes, because I go with friends.
Fresh Prince of Thailand.
When I tell a big piece, love is love.